How to fix TikTok cannot claim creator rewards. First, simply open your application and then simply head over to your profile section and finally tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right corner, and under assets you'll find balance option. Simply press on balance. You need to verify your identity and payment setup because you cannot withdraw funds if your payment profile or identity verification is incomplete. Thus, simply tap on transaction or upcoming payouts to ensure all tax and identity information is verified. And also check for any policy violations. TikTok restricts or removes access to the Creator Reward program if your account or specific videos received community guidelines strikes or unoriginal content flags. And if you have any violation, click on the appeal button and follow the instruction to submit a review. And if this doesn't help, simply close the application from your menu and try clearing app keys by long pressing on the application and tap on the app info icon. Now scroll down to the storage section and tap on storage, and finally at the end there is clear cache option. Simply press on clear cache, then simply head back and tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now simply close the application and try reopening the app again and see if the problem is fixed. And even if you meet all the requirements, that is at least 10,000 followers, 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, and the button still isn't working, you can go to the settings and privacy to report a problem. So scroll down and here you'll find help center. Simply press on help center and then press on report a problem. And from here you'll be able to easily report the problem that you're facing and clearly type the message explaining that you have reached the milestone but cannot claim your funds, and TikTok will reveal it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video useful, consider liking and subscribing to this channel. I'll see you in the next one.